Hi teachers. Okay, today I am going to share with you the application that we have subscribed, Kahoot. I think most of you have tried or know what is Kahoot is all about. But this time round, we subscribe to the education plans. Hence, it has more quiz type. So I'm going to go through the quiz. So bear with me if you know about Kahoot. I have already put in some. You can skip to the part that you need to know. So I'll start with logging in. Your logging in details have already been emailed. It's the same login details for all our subscribe applications. So you key in the login emails and click login. Make sure you don't go to continue with Google, because if you use Google, then you have to get a password from me. There's a code that's sent to my phone, so we want to do away with such hassle. Okay, so log in using these details. We are under education plan, so it is a paid plan, hence there are many things that is included in this plan. So one of the things that I want to share is this Discover, because a lot of schools are using Kahoot, so there are a lot of games that we can use to give our students that is applicable to our lessons. For example, if I do countable and uncountable nouns, if you are interested to use this question in your class, you just select any of it after you search. Okay, let's say we do this, we select this. So you can start playing with the kids using this ready-made games. Okay, so go start and you can play the game with the students. Okay, so but one thing I need you to bear in mind is these settings. Before you start the game, make sure your setting, you off the player identifier. The reason is player identifier, the students need to key in their email address, so we want to avoid those hassle. And secondly, randomize order of question and answers. I will explain to you why this is very important. Okay, so autoplay means with the students, after each question it will automatically skip to the next question. Usually I off the autoplay because I want to go through with the students after every question. Okay, so once you are done with this, close and you may start to play. For a start, we will start with this empty Kahoot. You can see the question type. For free, they only have 4 type of question, but because of education plan, we have 8 type of questions. Okay, these are the 4 common question. The test, knowledge, quiz, true or false are common, but the one that I'm going to share with you is this 4 type of question and puzzle. Okay, because okay, so we will try. Okay, so let's say you want to try word cloud. Add a question. How do you feel now? Okay, so what happened is the student's answer will appear in word cloud. Okay, can time limit save? Oh, I don't save first. So I add questions. Maybe I add brainstorm. Yes. Okay, so the next type of questions will be open-ended, or okay, open-ended. So these are all the opinions type, and maybe quiz and audio. Okay, let's try quiz and audio. I click here. So this is very good for spelling. Okay, let's try again. Let me edit this. Spell this. Okay, so let me edit. Okay, mischievous. So I add. So the answers. So this is for spelling. Okay, another part that I would like to share with you is, let's say you have so many quizzes and you don't want to type in Kahoot, you can actually import spreadsheet. For spreadsheet, the only limitation is their type of answer. Okay, for example, let me download the template. You download the template, you open the quiz. So this is the template. Okay, so what you do is, if you have a few questions, you type the question here. Let's say I have a few questions, same type of question. And the answer for what I do is, usually I have all the correct answer in answer 1. Okay, so I put here right. These are all the right answer. And these are all the wrong answer. Okay. Okay, why do I do that? Okay, let me just share with you why. Because okay, time limit, I make it to 60 seconds. So I drag so that it can be duplicated. So this is the part where, because I don't want to think so much which is the correct answer, I just set it as answer 1 as all the correct answer. I drag and duplicate. So now for this question, answer 1 is the right answer. Okay, answer 2 to answer 4 are all the wrong answers. So you save. You select file. Okay, when you upload, so the questions, add question, the question has been added. So I skip the hassle of typing one by one from here. Okay, the only thing is, when you play, make sure you choose randomized answers. Okay, now you are done. Change the title. Can type in the description. Done. And save. Okay, now we are going to test this Kahoot. How does it look like? You go to test this Kahoot. As I mentioned earlier, remember the setting. When you go to setting here before you start playing, make sure you off the player identifier and select and on the randomized answer and order of the randomized order of answers. Question can not be randomized, but the answer must be randomized, because just now when I was doing the template, remember I make it number 1 as all the answers. So you choose randomized order of answer, it will automatically randomize for you. So once you are done this setting, you can start. Okay, another type of question that I want to share is actually the puzzle. Okay, I find the puzzle very interesting, especially the rearranging of words. So this is one of the edu plan that I find very interesting, where you can get students to rearrange things. For example, we're going to do maths. Rearrange the fraction from smallest to biggest. So 1 over 4, 3 over 5, 2 over 7, and 3 over 8. Okay, example. So what happened is, the students will then arrange. Okay, let's preview. Save. Okay, so you look at the puzzle. Interestingly, so the students can actually from the phone arrange the fraction. So they can arrange in order. So which one goes first, so they arrange the tiles accordingly and submit. This is what happened. Okay, so this is how it works. Alright, so done. Once you test this Kahoot, you can either play now or you want to share with others. Other than that, you can go to done and your games will appear here. Okay, so because this is a shared account, so teachers from teaching the same level, you can do the same. You can use the same. So I would suggest that maybe you divide the work, where English department or mother tongue department, or each department come up with some questions which you can use based on your syllabus. Thank you, and hope you use Kahoot as frequent as possible and make the subscription worth it.